Welcome to Art, Culture and Books with me, Anthony King. Today, I'll be taking you on a tour of the Church of St. George, which I filmed in Cairo, set to the music of Erik Satie. The Church of St. George is a Greek Orthodox church in Coptic Cairo. The church dates back to the 10th century. The current structure was rebuilt following a 1904 fire. Coptic Cairo is a part of Old Cairo which encompasses many other Coptic churches and historical sites. It is believed in the Christian tradition that the Holy Family visited this area when they escaped Herod's persecution. Christianity is the second largest religion in Egypt at about 10% of the population. The history of Egyptian Christianity dates to the Roman era, as Alexandria was an early centre of Christianity. Copts are a Christian ethnoreligious group indigenous to North Africa since antiquity. Copts have historically spoken the Coptic language, a direct descendant of the Demotic Egyptian that was spoke in late antiquity. The Church of St. George is active, and Mayor Girgis, or St. George, was executed on the orders of Emperor Diocletian in 307 AD, and we will be visiting Emperor Diocletian's palace in Split, Croatia on our journey together. It's an incredible place. According to legend, Mayor Girgis, which is the Egyptian name for St. George, endured 7 years of torture, including at the dungeons which we will see in this video. Very little is known about St. George's life, but it is thought he was a Roman officer of Greek descent who was martyred. St. George is the patron saint of England, my home country. My Cairo series should not be construed as a recommendation of anything other than the art from an aesthetic viewpoint. If you do decide to travel to Cairo, you should exercise extreme caution. Thank you for joining me today. Please like and subscribe, it really supports what we're doing here. And also, don't forget to comment so we can hear what you think about today's piece of art and all of the culture. Also, if you'd like to support the channel further, I'd encourage you to please go to my website, anthony-king.com, where you can purchase one of my books, The Dancer's Study Guide, which is also full of lots of health and fitness, as well as dance, and my Secret Norwegian 4-book series, which is a deep dive into the Norwegian system of janteloven. It's all available on my website, anthony-king.com. See you in the next video.